Hello everyone, Cyient DLM Limited IPO is going to open on the 27th of June. Let's look for some details. Cyient DLM stands as a prominent provider of integrated electronic manufacturing services, EMS, and comprehensive solutions. Cyient DLM's solutions primarily comprise printed circuit board, PCB assembly, PCBA, cable harnesses, and box builds which are used in safety-critical systems such as cockpits, in-flight systems, landing systems, and medical diagnostic equipment. IPO is going to open on the 27th of June, closes on the 30th of June, allotment on the 5th of July, listing on the 10th of July. The IPO consisted of a pure fresh issue of 592 crore rupees. On the upper price band, the firm is valued at 2,000 crore rupees. The proceeds from the issue will be used for funding working capital requirements, capital expenditures, repayment of debt and achieving inorganic growth through acquisitions. Strengths of the company are it's an end-to-end integrated EMS service provider with robust capabilities to offer B2P and B2S services. It is one of the few Indian EMS companies offering electronic solutions for safety and mission-critical applications. The company benefits from experienced and robust management with extensive industry experience of promoters. Risk factors are the loss of any key customer can impact the company's future profitability. Dependency on external, third-party suppliers for raw materials can affect the company's future operations and financial performance. Timely completion of projects is essential for maintaining profitability. Thanks for watching the video. For opening Demat account, click the link in the description box.